Namaste all of you. My dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are fine. And one more thing, nobody should go outside the home unnecessarily. Please stay at home and be safe at home. Today I want to tell you one new concept, and this concept you can observe in your everyday life. Now you people are staying at home and playing at home. Where? At home. Home means what? Some rooms will be there. How the rooms will be? How the rooms will be constructed? Yes, rooms need walls. Walls. Okay. Suppose you just observe your bedroom. How many walls will be there in your room? 4 walls will be there. If you observe 4 walls in your bedroom, then one more thing also you can observe. What is there? 4 corners will be there. How many corners? 4 corners will be there. What is corner? What is corner? See, corner means, suppose if 2 walls are going to meet each other at a certain place, that place is called corner. If 2 walls are going to meet each other at a certain place, that place is called corner. This corner only we will call it as an angle. How like? This corner only we will call it as an angle. Okay. So how many corners will be there in room? 4 corners will be there. That means how many angles are there in that room? 4 angles are there. Now our topic is about angles. What is angle and types of angles we are going to discuss. Students, now let us know about angle. What is angle? An angle can be defined as the figure formed by 2 rays meeting at a common end point. Once again, an angle can be defined as the figure formed by 2 rays meeting at a common end point. See. So according to our definition, just I am explaining this example here. Here I draw an angle and its name is AOB. Okay. So just observe this one. How we can define an angle? The figure formed by, see this angle, this figure is formed by 2 rays. What are the 2 rays? OA and OB meeting at a common end point. See, the common end point is O. Where O is there, and OB also O is there. So what is the common point for both rays? O. So O is the common end point. So now let us know about the types of angles. Generally we have 6 types of angles. What are those? Those are, first one acute angle, second one right angle, third one obtuse angle, fourth one straight angle, fifth one reflex angle, and sixth one is complete angle. Okay. First one acute angle, second one right angle, third one obtuse angle, fourth one straight angle, fifth one reflex angle, and sixth one is complete angle. Okay. Now let us know about the first one, acute angle. An angle which lies in between 0 degrees to 90 degrees is called acute angle. An angle which lies in between 0 degrees to 90 degrees is called acute angle. And here the example is given here. Angle XOY is an example for acute angle. Next, second one, right angle. An angle which is exactly 90 degrees is called right angle. An angle which is exactly 90 degrees is called right angle. And this is the example here. See, here also angle AOB I draw here. Angle AOB. And how that the shape of this angle you just observe. If you keenly observe that, you will find one thing. This is the shape of alphabet L. Okay, this is the shape of alphabet L. It's nothing but a right angle. Okay. Now let's move to the third one, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. An angle which lies in between 90 degrees to 180 degrees is called obtuse angle. An angle which lies in between 90 degrees to 180 degrees is called obtuse angle. And this is the example given here. See, angle MON or angle NOM. This is the example for obtuse angle. Next, come to the fourth one, straight angle. An angle which is exactly 180 degrees is called straight angle. An angle which is exactly 180 degrees is called straight angle. And see down, just this is the example for straight angle. See, it's just like a straight line and which shows 180 degrees angle, that is straight angle. Okay, do you understand? Now let's move to the reflex angle. An angle which lies in between 180 degrees to 360 degrees is called reflex angle. An angle which lies in between 180 degrees to 360 degrees is called reflex angle. See here the example for reflex angle. See here I draw AOB, angle AOB, and observe this one. See, if I draw one straight line means that will indicate what it indicates, straight angle. Okay, this is reflex angle, no. So reflex angle means what? More than 180, less than 360. Okay, so this angle is turning this side and it is indicating like this. So this is more than 180 degrees. So it is indicating reflex angle. Okay, now let us move to the next one, that is sixth one, complete angle. An angle which is exactly 360 degrees is called complete angle. An angle which is exactly 360 degrees is called complete angle. For example, observe this one here. Actually, what I said already about a straight line. Example, I draw a straight line and I just keep these arrow symbols. Now here also like that one. But for a straight line, I think if people understand, just from here to here only we can draw, or here to here we can draw that angle that indicates 180 degrees only. But complete angle means what? An angle which is exactly 360 degrees is called complete angle. That means like a circle. Okay, so as usually draw one straight line and name them with AOB and name that angle with AOB letters. Now come to the center point O, common end point O, and there first you draw 180 degrees, next I draw one more 180 degrees. So 180 degrees plus 180 degrees, that is 360 degrees. Okay, so this is an example for complete angle. My dear students, till now we learnt about angle and types of angle. Okay, now we have to learn about measuring an angle. Yes, how to measure an angle? For example, if you want to draw a line segment or line, or if you want to measure a line or line segment, what we are using there? We are using a scale. What we are using? There we are using scale to measure the line or line segment or to draw the line or line segment. Okay, like that, to measure an angle or to construct an angle, what we need? Yes, to construct or to measure an angle, we should use protractor. What we should use? We should use protractor. And this is called protractor. What it is called? It is called protractor. Okay. Now let us know about the parts of this protractor. Here in this protractor, actually two parts will be there. What are those? First one is inner scale second one is outer scale. First one is inner scale and second one is outer scale. See, you just observe it keenly. Inner scale starts from 0 degrees, which is on the right side, and ends with 180 degrees on the left side. What I said? Inner scale starts from 0 degrees, which is on the right side, and ends with 180 degrees on the left side. Okay, this is right side, this is left side. Now about outer scale. Outer scale starts from 0 degrees, which is on the left side. See, here 0 is on left side. Okay, and ends with 180 degrees, which is on the right side. Okay, this is called outer scale. Understand? And you just observe this protractor. Here one line is there at the bottom of this protractor. One line is there. This is called baseline of the protractor. What it is called? This line is called baseline of the protractor. Understand? Now let us know how to draw different angles or how to construct different angles by using a protractor. Okay, students, now I am going to construct a 30 degrees angle. 30 degrees angle. So first we have to draw one margin. Just draw like this by using a scale or protractor also we can use. Okay, we draw one margin here. Now you have to just keep a midpoint, center point to this margin. Now you have to keep the protractor to the center of this margin line like this. See, now we have to construct 30 degrees angle. If you want to construct 30 degrees angle, just observe that here 0, 10, 20, 30. Yes, 30 is here. So just keep a dot here. Okay, here you just keep a dot against this number 30. Now we got like this. Now we have to connect these 2 points by using a line. See, we can make a line, or we can draw this line by using, we can use this protractor also. Okay, so this is center point O. This is center point O, and here we should write somewhat any 2 letters here and here. This is A and this is B. So here A and it is B. So this is angle AOB, which measures 30 degrees, which measures 30 degrees. Okay, understand? Okay, what we drawn already, this 30 degrees means this indicates an acute angle. Now we are going to draw 330 degrees angle. Now we are going to construct 330 degrees angle. For this one also the procedure is as usual. Just we have to draw one line at first, and after that you keep a midpoint on this line. Now we have to keep this protractor again on this line properly, just to keep the protractor properly. And here this center line is there. No, this line should touch this midpoint of this line like this. This is the midpoint. We have to keep like this. But now see, now we are going to construct 330 degrees angle, it's nothing but what? It's a reflex angle. Reflex angle means what? The reflex angle is more than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees. So this is 330 degrees. See, now do like this. You subtract 330 degrees from 360 degrees. How much we will get? Difference is 30 degrees. Very simple. Just, it's a reflex angle means what? The angle should come in reverse. Okay, that means first remove this protractor from that line, and now we have to keep this protractor up and down. Make it up and down and keep like this, right? Now the procedure is as usual. Okay, now how many degrees we have to indicate on this by using this protractor? What is the difference we got here? That is 30 degrees. So this 30 degrees we have to measure here. Here it is 30 degrees. Yeah, here it is 30 degrees. We found this and I kept a dot here. Okay, now like that angle only, like the 30 degrees angle only, we have to connect these 2 points by using a line segment. That's it. Okay, now how to show the angle here? See this, you should not show here. This is again 30 degrees only. So we already drawn one reflex angle, means this is more than 180. That's why actually this is 180 degrees. We know that it is 180 degrees. Why? Because it's a straight line. Straight line means what it indicates? Straight angle. That is what? 180 degrees. So this is what it is? A straight angle plus more degrees we should draw here. That one only what? Up to here it came. Okay, these all degrees is how much? 330 degrees. This is 330 degrees, which is, now we got, what is this angle? Reflex angle. Okay, understand? Now let us know how to draw a perpendicular angle or right angle. That means what? It's nothing but 90 degrees angle. See here also, just to draw one margin or one line segment by using a protractor or a scale. Okay, I'll keep a dot here in the center of the line. Now actually we are going to draw 90 degrees. We are going to construct 90 degrees. So the center of this protractor, center line of this protractor should touch the center point of this margin. Keep like this without any difference. Okay, now keep a dot against this number 90 or 90 degrees. Sure. Okay, now as usually we should connect these 2 points. Okay, now either this side or this side will indicate 90 degrees. Okay, see, this is called 90 and this is known as right angle. Okay, here also we can keep like this. Angle MON. This is 90 degrees angle. Okay children, now I think you people understand how to draw or how to construct the different types of angles. I think all of you understand how to construct or how to draw different types of angles. Now I am going to give you a small exercise as your homework. Just observe these given sums. Draw the following by using protractor. A 45 degrees, B 120 degrees, C 180 degrees. If you construct or draw these three angles successfully, you will get 3 stars. Understand? So try to draw all these angles perfectly. Okay.